Ready.
Yes.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? What?
Yes.
Oh.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan.
It's Ryder.
And we've got something that I have waited my whole life to try. I always, as a kid, wanted one of these Snoopy snow cone makers.
Same thing.
Ice cream cone makers, snow cone makers. And this is going to be a bit of a throwback and a shout out to my friend Kristen, who bought me this for my birthday years ago. You can even see a little shred of birthday wrapping paper here. When I say years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
A while ago.
And I kept waiting for you to experience this with me.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, one thing leads to another and life gets in the way, and pretty soon it's years later. But we're going to correct course now. Kristen, hi. Thank you very much for giving this to me so many years ago. Let's open it up.
Yeah.
One thing, though, I'm going to say that I noticed before we started filming, the original Snoopy Snow Cone machine, but it says new design. So is this another Green Apple Skittles thing where it's not original?
Well, maybe it's not the original, like when it originally came out,
But it's a new design.
They probably redesigned it and updated it from how it was.
So it's better.
It's probably better than what it
Maybe.
was.
You know, and as flat as this is, I always thought it was actually his whole doghouse. Like, it was, you know, I never thought of it being a facade, if you will.
Yeah. Childlike wonder. Shows how amazing it truly is.
Yep. That's everything from inside
Now we
the
have
box.
to put it together.
Ooh, here's the powder. Fruit punch. We're going to have to mix this up on our own, I guess.
Yeah. Here's Snoopy himself, the man.
Here's the crank. Little paper snow cone cups.
Little,
I'm not sure. Oh, here's little sticker feet, I think, for
I'm assuming this is for like shoveling ice out.
this. Is there a bottle of water in there? I usually always have a bottle of water
Should.
somewhere around the shop here.
There's a huge bottle over there. Like a jug.
No, that's fluid for the snow machine at Christmas time.
Probably don't want to ingest that.
I don't see any. Huh. We'll figure it out. I just wanted to mix up some of the snow cone mix. We're going to have to go in and get ice anyway.
Yeah.
So, this is meant to be screwed to the table.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, just looking at the instructions here, these feet are supposed to go here.
Pretty sure this is supposed to come out. Somehow.
Let me see.
Yeah, just look. So they show it like coming out and stuff. There we go.
It fit. There's little grooves in there.
Oh, okay.
And it looks like a cheese grater.
Trying to slice my fingers on it,
Yep.
preferably.
Preferably not. There's these little stickers that are like little feet, little cushiony feet. I think it's just to prevent you from scratching your table when you strap this thing down.
I think that's.
Oh yeah, and then
Throw that in the back. Okay. Wait,
No,
I wasn't supposed to fully assemble it quite yet.
gosh, this kid.
No, I think that end is supposed to be on the front. That comes out right.
Right.
And then you put the rest of that on the back.
Even though it was in the front.
Yeah. Just then it'll create the funnel because it's supposed to come out this way, not the back.
Or is it?
I mean, as far as I can see from the instructions, it doesn't seem like it's supposed to be like that.
Why isn't this?
Hold on.
Let's see.
Oh, did you do
There's little grooves. Yeah, right there. Okay. And then this will snap on.
Yes. Well, yeah. Put on and twist it. Here, let me see it. Try
Okay, here, you do
out.
it. Why isn't it locking on there?
I don't know. Something with. It's something. I got this like literally just a minute ago. Because those go there,
Yeah.
right?
And then. There.
For real.
It's not kid proof after all, is it?
No, it's not. It's apparently adult proof as well.
Then there's just this little screw doohickey here that will fasten it to the table. Gosh, that screws slow.
Taking a minute.
Okay.
Did you already do these?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep. That's tight enough. Okay. Now what we need to do is go get some ice.
We
Out
just
of the
need to mix
kitchen.
this up.
And then I think that goes
It goes like right here.
here.
Sideways. Yep. Like that.
Close enough. Alright.
Ta-da!
Should we get some ice? And some water?
Yes.
Here, there's bottled water in my truck.
It'll be a little warm.
Well, yeah, but we're just going to use it to
I
mix
know.
that up. It'll be okay.
Alright.
We'll check the refrigerator on the patio, too. There might be bottled water in there.
I believe we've gotten everything that we need now.
I think so. Snoopy Snow Cone Machine Fruit Punch Flavor Sweetened Soft Drink Mix. Artificially flavored, made in the USA. This is not to be labeled for retail or sale. Something like that.
So are there individual packaging, or is it just one giant package?
It's just one giant package.
Okay.
This looks like it just this little snowman here. Gosh, this is gonna be.
This better be worth it.
There's no expiration date on here either.
Well, it's
Or is
powder.
there? Well, yeah, but it can't last forever, can it?
If it's sealed and doesn't get moisture on it, it should
Really?
be fine.
Alright.
As far as I know.
As far as you know.
Yeah, as far as I know.
Oh, it smells really good.
Smells like fruit punch.
This isn't gonna end well.
I feel like it's gonna be like too much water though.
Crap, you're right, huh?
So I think we are gonna have to try and just.
Okay. Dang, I'm glad you caught that before. I wasn't even thinking.
Yeah. Just because it's easy doesn't mean it's right. Oh yeah, dump it in there and then you can kind of pinch it.
Mm-hmm.
We're making progress, sort of.
Dude, I don't think this stuff is good, man.
Why?
It's not powder anymore.
What?
It's coming out in chunks.
Well, hey, it just hasn't had water in a while.
I don't know, man. Let me see the instructions real quick. 'Cause it's,
Smells fine. Doesn't quite
To
look
make
fine.
one flavor powder, we recommend adding the powder to 8 cups of water. Make 1 cup at a time. Simply add a small amount. Well, there's still quite a bit in this package, so we're going to go ahead and add this to...
That, yeah. See, I was thinking, I'm like, well, it's a certain size for a reason.
Yeah. I think we're going to call that good.
Put the lid on and shake it up.
Yeah. I don't think this is going to be good.
Well, maybe it's just like that because it's got to be kind of like a syrupy.
Those chunks aren't freaking melting in there. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh, did that hurt?
No. I feel like we're not like breaking this.
It almost sounds like you are, huh?
Yeah.
Here. Where's yours? Oh, you put some in a little bottle? Heck
Yeah.
yeah. So, this is too much work. This is way too much work.
I didn't know where
We've got a snow cone maker that's shaped like a, you remember the polar bear?
Yeah.
And it comes out of its mouth. I bought it at Walmart like 10 or 15 years ago. That is the best snow cone maker I've ever had.
Water. It just tastes like water.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I'm making a mess here. It doesn't taste horrible.
It's not very flavorful though either.
No.
Can't tell if I should be impressed or disappointed.
I think if I was still 10 years old,
Mm-hmm.
this would have been more fun.
Soon.
But I don't know.
Now.
Man, I like the consistency of the ice that
Yes.
comes out. It's very, very snow cone-esque. This is just a lot of work. And I know this is meant for kids, but I honestly think if you gave this to your kids, it would be fun once, maybe twice,
Yeah.
and then it's just too much work.
At that
Let's
point.
wait for
yeah.
the ice cream man to roll through and buy something from him.
Yeah.
But this was fun. It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun. This has been a quest. I wanted one of these when I was a little kid.
Yeah.
And it's probably just as well I didn't get one. I don't know. It's cool. You know what we're going to use this for?
decoration.
It will be, because it's iconic.
Yeah.
It is iconic, the Snoopy Snow Cone Maker. Kristen, thank you so much. This is one of the most, honestly, thoughtful gifts I've ever received. It was one of those things that I had mentioned in passing during a conversation that I always wanted one as a kid.
Mm-hmm.
And then you came up with it. So thank you. And thank you for helping me realize I didn't miss out on anything.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us while we unboxed and tried out the Snoopy Snow Cone machine. And until next time, be excellent to each other.
See ya.
Now we got a mess to clean up.
Yeah, now we do.
You know, sir, it's cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, sir, he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom!
Hey.